we are here today to eat at Vivo. We made a reservation for 9:15 specifically so we can come and celebrate our night ride on the Velocicoaster, which was phenomenal.
Yeah, much. I mean, the whole ride itself is freaking awesome, but doing
Next
it at
level.
night, yeah, doing it at night is just a completely different experience. I would definitely recommend it.
Yes, yeah, and last time we were here, we really loved it. It was right around Christmas time, so we figured we'd just give it another shot, and beautiful night, so we're gonna go check it out. So we sat down. It seems to be our normal spot now at the bar. We've got our bread that they deliver fresh as soon as we sat down. Sauvignon Blanc. But I want to just show you guys how cute it is in here. I love the lighting and the look. It just looks so clean and nice.
I love the fresh pasta they have.
Just hanging.
Right over there.
Yeah, maybe after we just ordered our appetizer, we got the fried ricotta, but maybe after we do that or after we eat, we'll go ahead and walk over there and show you guys what the rest of this place looks like. But it was just, it's so like comfortable, I guess, is a really good one. Cozy, yeah, definitely. Ricotta. I don't know what's going on with my screen. It's looking a little stripey, but looks really good. It kind of reminds me of the arancini, huh?
I think it's the lighting that's doing that. But
yeah, the lighting's a little crazy. So tell us about it.
So it's rosemary, lemon, ricotta, just lightly breaded and fried, and then it's served on top of a house-made marinara sauce.
Yeah, looks really good.
It looks like a little bit of shaved parm on top as well.
Yum.
Alright, so here's a look at what it looks like on the inside.
Very creamy, just like a normal ricotta.
Yeah.
Really, really good. I really like it. I think I like fried mozzarella better, just because I like that cheese pull. But this is really good.
Okay, so the food just arrived. I got the Italian sausage and pepperoni pizza that actually came out of the wood-fired oven that they got back there.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
And then Nicole got the linguine and clams. Is that a lemon butter sauce?
Yeah, it's like I think just like a white wine sauce, and then there's red pepper flakes in there.
Yep. So we're about to dig in, and we'll let you know how it is.
All right. So I'm gonna walk through and give you guys just a quick tour. Hopefully people don't think I'm too weird, but I just wanted to walk over and show you guys the pasta arms that are holding all this fresh pasta. And you can even see back there, there's the squidding pasta, and then fresh like lasagna sheets and fettuccine. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. And then back there's the pizza oven, and then a little bit more dining over back that way. Just really, really beautiful in here. They did an awesome job, but this is like what really knocks my socks off. Because you could tell the pasta when you're eating it is just so fresh. So good. Bye. Thank you.
Have a great night.
You too.
Okay, so that about wraps up our trip to Vivo this evening. Everything was outstanding. We got the what was it? The fried.
It was the fried ricotta.
Fried ricotta.
Yeah, which was something a little bit different. It had lemon and rosemary in it, and a really nice sauce.
The lemon and rosemary really stood out, which was actually really nice.
I
really
think that's why I
refreshing.
liked it so much. It was different.
Yeah.
I still stand by it. I think I like a fried mozzarella a little bit better because I like the goopy cheese. But this is really good. It was really tasty. That was good. And I got the clams and linguine, and that was super tasty too. It had just a light spice with the red pepper flakes, which were really good. The clams are super tender. Probably not my favorite dish I've ever had, but it was really, really good. Like I would get it again for sure.
Yeah, the pizza was great too. Kind of a little more chewy dough with a wood oven. I would expect something kind of a little more thin, a little crispy.
Yeah.
Great pizza.
I think it was just too thick for what we thought.
Yeah, it was a great pizza, but
yeah, it was good.
I'd probably get something different next time.
The sausage on it was really, really good because you got, what was the Italian meat?
Italian meat, I believe is what it's called. Yeah, sausage and pepperoni. So.
And I'm not usually like, I'm a cheese pizza girl just because I like to savor the cheese, but yeah, it was really good. So. Again, you know, maybe we got favorite ones, but it was a really nice trip to Vivo, and what I think his name was Germany.
Germany. Yeah,
Germany was our bartender.
Yeah.
And he was great. He was really awesome. Provided excellent service. So thank you, Germany. If you ever happen to see this, I can't imagine you would, but
maybe.
You never know.
Yeah, but anyways, we're gonna take off, head back to the car, and head home.
Enjoy this nice evening.
Yeah, so thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks for coming along.
And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.